Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to send message to abandoned cart users from WhatsApp API if you are running a Shopify website. As you can see, I am into Interact, right? And we are in the campaign section, right? We have previously created some videos on this, so I hope you know how to open the campaign section in Interact, right? So we are in the campaign section and we are going to create a new campaign. So we have selected the new campaign, and here in the sample ideas you can see, if I scroll down, then we will see the abandoned checkout. Or okay, scrolling down, okay, this is abandoned checkout Shopify, right? We are going to send the first message, right, for those users who have added the product in the cart but have not made purchase, right? You need not to select the abandoned checkout 2 or 3, right? Everything is automatically pre-filled over here because we have integrated our Shopify store with our WhatsApp API in our previous videos, so we need not to change anything, right? Sir, a product is getting displayed. Oh, it's simply a preview of a product, right? Automatically that particular product image would be sent, uh, which is uploaded on your website, right? It is just for a example or sample, you can understand, right? And the triggering event is also selected right over here, that this message would be only triggered if particular have abandoned checkout rate updated, right? So we need not to do anything, and we just simply click on go live and our campaign will automatically gets created. So here we have learned how to send abandoned cart or checkout messages to our users from WhatsApp API if we have integrated our Interact with our Shopify website. If you don't have created a WhatsApp API account on Interact, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned the Interact sign up link over there. Just simply visit that site and create an Interact account. You will receive few bonus credits in your Interact account that you can utilize for sending WhatsApp marketing messages to your customers. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also kindly check the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.